What is the most brutal way for an insect to die? Perhaps being smacked by a human or snatched by a slimy reptilian tongue? Actually, it might be having its brain taken over by a deadly parasite while being consumed alive. This is the Cordyceps fungus, which survives by turning insects into zombies. Over 400 different types of Cordyceps infect as many as 10 different groups of insects. The fungus reproduces by releasing spores into the air, which attach themselves to the exoskeletons of unsuspecting hosts. Over the next few days, the fungus feeds on the host's organs, but the insect displays no signs of pain. Instead, it becomes increasingly hyperactive, hypersexual, or zombie-like, eventually being driven to a more humid microclimate, better suited for the fungus to develop. Surprisingly, the spores don't infect the brain cells to control the insect's minds. They instead hack the nervous system using bioactive compounds, releasing dopamine to reward specific behaviors. Other spores work by altering the insect's DNA. Infected ants feel compelled to climb a high branch and bite into a leaf or stem with all their strength. The growing fungus spores then eat up the last of the ant's internal organs as it stays in place anchored by its bite. This vantage point offers optimum light and humidity for the Cordyceps to mature over the next 3 weeks. The ant eventually dies, and the fungus blooms out of its head, dispersing more spores that latch onto other ants passing by. The Cordyceps fungus can easily wipe out entire ant colonies, but many ants are seen licking the spores off themselves, knowing what the fungus is capable of. Another parasitic fungus, Massospora, likes to infect periodical cicadas. These cicadas spend the first 13 to 17 years of their lives underground. In their final weeks, they surface to find a mate. The Massospora hijacks their bodies and starts feeding on their organs. Soon, their rear half falls off and is replaced by the fungus itself. The fungus pumps cicadas full of hallucinogens like amphetamine and psilocybin, repressing pain and making them energetic and frisky. As they fly around behaving badly, spores rain out of their rear end, infecting more cicadas. Some people have tried eating these cicadas, which is a terrible idea since ingesting dozens of them is required to experience mind-altering effects. The cicadas might also be full of mercury from their time underground or cause allergic reactions. Eating Cordyceps, on the other hand, may improve kidney and immune system health. It is ironic that they are commonly used in Chinese medicine and can even be purchased as supplements. These animals feed on their hosts while controlling their minds, which is how they survive. If you enjoyed this content, please follow for more, and subscribe to the channel for daily updates. Let us know what you would like to hear in the next episode of Fascinating Creatures.